Good afternoon, children. In previous class, we have discussed about HCF in division method and prime factorization method. Now, let us explain. Find HCF of the following. Find the HCF of the following. Find the HCF of the following. Numbers by prime factorization, numbers by prime factorization and common division method, and common division method. Okay, in the find HCF the following number by prime factorization and common division method. In previous class we have discussed both methods. How to find the prime factorization method, HCF and division method also. Now I give the first one is 18, 27, 36. 18, 27, 36. With these given numbers, you find the prime factorization method and division method. Both methods you find. Now 18. Now find the prime factorization method. Find the prime factorization method. First one is the prime factorization method. The given number, take the numbers. First one 18. Which is the number? The least prime number. You take the least prime number. 2 9s are 18. 3 3s are 9. 3 1s are 3. Now 27. The 2 is not divisible in 27. The next prime number 3. 3 9s are 27. 3 3s are 9. 3 1s are 3. Okay. Now another number 36. The 36, 2 is divisible. The least prime number 2 is divisible. 2 18s are 36. 2 9s are 18. 3 3s are 9. 3 1s are 3. Okay. This is the 18, 27, 36. Now 18 is equal to 2 into 3 into 3. 18 is equal to 2 into 3 into 3. Okay, the product of prime numbers. We can write product of prime numbers. 27 is equal to 3 into 3 into 3. This is also 27 can write the product of the prime numbers. Now 36 is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. This is also write the product of prime numbers. In these three numbers, which is the common numbers you take? Okay, now in the 2 is 18 is 2 is there, but 30 is 2 is there, 27 not having 2. So this 2 is not common factor. Now another one is the 3. 3 are common factors. Common factors 3. And another one is another 3 also there. 3. Okay, the first one, first row 3 and another row 3 is there. 3 3s are 9. The HCF is equal to 9. HCF is equal to 9. Now in this prime numbers, now division method. The prime factorization method. The 18 is a product of 2 into 3 into 3. The 27 is product of 3 into 3 into 3. The 36 is product of 2 into 3 into 3. So what is the common factor in both? 3 and 3 3s are 9 HCF. In the prime factorization method, the HCF is the 9. Now division method. Same numbers, given numbers you take from 18, 27, 36. Now 18, 27, 36. The first one is first small number, take the small number and big number. 18, 27. 18 ones are 18. What is the remainder? That is the 8, 9. Okay, the remainder is 9. The previous, what is the previous number? 18. 9 2s are 18, 0. Okay, the HCF of HCF of 18, 27 is equal to 9. HCF of two numbers, given two numbers, we find out the division method 9 get. First one is small number and big number take. The small number do with big number. 18 ones are 18. So 9. 9 how many times divisible? 2 tens. 18. 0. Now in this HCF of two numbers given 9. So in the HCF and another third number, HCF and third number. Find HCF of third number is equal to 936. Okay, 936. 9 how many times divisible? 36. 4 times. 9 4s are 36. 0. Okay, the given HCF up to till you find the division up to 0. So directly 9 is the small number. What is that? 9 934. 936. The what is HCF before find the HCF of 9 and another third number is 36. You both find the HCF. The 9 how many times divisible? 4 times 36. You got the 0 remainder. Now HCF of three numbers. HCF of 18, 27 and 36 is equal to 9. 36 is equal to what is the last divisor? 9. Okay, the last divisor is HCF. In the prime factorization, what is the HCF? 9. In division method, you know what is HCF? 9. Okay, then another one. The second one. The both methods find the HCF of the following numbers by prime factorization and division method. Both methods do that. Okay, the first one is second one 10, 35, 40. 10, 35, 40. Okay, so now 10, 35, 40. Find the prime factorization of the three numbers. Given three numbers, the prime factorization. First one, prime factorization method. Find the HCF of prime factorization method. So first one 10. What is the small number divisible by the prime number? 2 5s are 10. Okay. Now 5 1s are 5. So 10 is equal to 2 into 5. The other one is 35. The 35 is 2 is not divisible. What is the next prime number? 3 is not divisible. What is the next prime number? 5. 5 7s are 35. 7 1s are 7. Okay, so 35 is equal to 5 into 7. The next number 40, the third number. Okay, 42 is the least prime number. You take 2 is the least prime number. 2 20s are 40. Again 2 take 2 10s are 20. 2 5s are 10. 5 1s are 5. Okay, these are prime factorization. The 40 divided the prime factorization. 40 is equal to 2 into 5. Okay, 2 into 5. Now write the numbers. So 10 is equal to 2 into 5. 35 is equal to 5 into 7. 40 is equal to 2 into 5. Okay, in these three numbers, what is the common factor? You find the common factor. Okay, 2. The 10 having 2, but 35 not having 2. Okay, but 40 is having 2, but in these three are numbers, 2 is not common factor. Okay, leave the number. Next 5 take. Okay, 5 is the common number. 5. In three numbers, common factor is 5. The other number not there. So common factor is equal to 5. The HCF is equal to 5. Okay, this is the prime factorization method. In the prime factorization method, 10 is equal to 2 into 5. 35 is equal to 5 into 7. The product of prime factors 35 can be product of prime factors 5 into 7. The 40 is equal to 2 into 5. This is also product of prime factors. In these three numbers, given numbers, the prime factors, which is a common factor, find out. How? The 2. In three are numbers, 2 is not common factor. The other number, next one is what? 5. The 5 is the common factor, so the HCF is equal to 5. Okay, next one. The other one. that is the division method. You find HCF division method. Now division method, first one small number 10, 35, 40, 10, 35, 40. Okay, the small number and big number take. Now division is HCF of 30, 40. Okay, now division is small number to big number. 30, 40. 31s are 30. Okay, what is the remainder? What is the remainder? 15. The remainder with division with first divisor. What is the first divisor? 30. What is the remainder? 15. The remainder 15 is the first divisor. Now 30, 15 2s are 30. 0. What is the last divisor? The last divisor is equal to 50. Okay, until 0. You get the until 0. So last divisor, this is the HCF of 30, 45 is equal to 5. HCF of 30, 45 is equal to 5. The next one is HCF of the HCF and third number. HCF and third number. Third number, what is the third number? So 5 and 40. So HCF of 5 and 40. The division is 5, 40. Okay, you division how many times divisible? 5 8s are 40. Remainder 0. 5 8s are 40. Remainder 0. Now, what is the last divisor? The last divisor is equal to 5. This is the HCF. Until 0, the last divisor is 5. Now, HCF of 15, HCF of 10, 35, the 40 is equal to 5. This the HCF of 10, 35, 40 prime factorization method we find HCF 5. So division method, what is HCF 5? The both methods I find out. So this is the prime factorization method, this is the division method. Now another sum. Now third sum. This is also you find the prime factorization method and division method. How to find out the prime factorization method already we have learned. Now this is the 106, 151, third sum, 106, 150, 159 and 265. Okay, 159 and 265. Now find the first one, prime factorization method. So find HCF of the following numbers by prime factorization and common division method. Now 106. You divide with the prime factor using the prime factors. Now which is the number? 2 is the prime number. 2 5s are 10. 2 3s are 53. The 53 is in any number not divisible. Why? The 53 is also prime number. Okay, the prime number means 1 and the number itself, the factors having the 1 and itself, that is the prime numbers. So 53 ones are 53. Okay, 106 is equal to 2 into 53. That is the 106. The prime factors, using the prime factors, 2 is the smallest prime number. 253 is 106. 53 ones are 53. 106 is equal to 2 into 53. Now 159. The 159 in the 2 is not divisible. The prime factorization method, 2 is not divisible. You take 3. Okay, 3 5s are 15. 3 5s are 15. 3 3s are 9. Okay, 3 5s are 15. 3 3s are 9. The 53 is the prime number. If you prime number, any number cannot be divisible. So the prime number means 1 and itself. The factors having the 1 and itself. So 53 ones are 53. Okay, so 159 is equal to 3 into 53. 3 into 53. Now next one is the 265. The number using the prime number, 2 is not divisible. The least prime number 2 is not divisible. The 3 is also not divisible. Next number, what is the prime number? 5. Okay, 5 5s are 25. 5 3s are 15. Okay, 53, get the 53. 53 is the prime number. The prime number 1 and itself. So 53 ones are 53. So 265 is equal to 5 into 53. Okay, right? All numbers the given three numbers to product of prime factors. To write the product of prime factors, 106 is equal to 2 into 53. Okay, 159 is equal to 3 into 53. 265 is equal to 5 into 53. Okay, now in these three numbers, what is the common factor? 53 is the common factor. So common factor is equal to 53. Now, which is the common factor? That is also SCF. SCF is equal to 53. This is the prime factorization method. Using the find SCF of the following number, prime factorization method. This is the prime factorization method. Prime factorization method means 2 is the first least prime number. 2 5s are 10, 2 3s are 6, 53 1s are 53. Why? The 53 is a prime number. You can't use any number. Only one and itself the prime number itself is the prime factors only. So 2 is 2 and 53. The 1 or 6 is good. Again 159 type. The 3 how many times useful? 3 5s are 15, 3 3s are 9, 53 1s are 53. So 159 is equal to 3 into 53. This is the product of prime factors. Now 265. 265 5 into 53. 265 can be written as 5 into 53. This is the prime numbers. In this all write the product of prime number 2 into 53, 159 into 3 into 53, 265 into 5 into 53. What is the common factor of these three? 53. So SCF is equal to 50. This is the prime factorization method. Now using the division method. Okay, find the SCF of the following numbers by prime factorization and common division method. So take the numbers 106, 159, 265. Given three numbers, what will first take the two numbers? Okay, SCF of 106 and 159. So in these two numbers, that small number divisible by big number. Okay, the small number, big number divisible 159. The big number divisible by small number 106 ones are 106. 106 ones are 106. So what is the remainder? 53. The remainder is the 53. Okay. Now this is the remainder. What is the first divisor? The first remainder is division by first divisor. So 106. Okay. Now 53 2s are 106. 0. 53 2s are 106. Why that 53 into 2? 2 3s are 6. 2 5s are 10. 106. 53 2s are 106. So we get the remainder. In the place what is the last divisor? The last divisor is equal to 53. In the place SCF is equal to 53. This is the last divisor until 0. That is the SCF is equal to 53. The given SCF of 106 and 159 number is SCF 53. Now again that is the SCF and the third number. Okay, SCF and third number. What is the third number? Given in three numbers, first find out the two numbers. You get the SCF, that is the 53 and 53 and SCF of 53 and 265. SCF of 53 and 265. Now division with 53 and 265. Okay. Now 5 3s are 15. The 5 is how many times divisible in 53? 5 3s are 15. 1. 5 5s are 25 plus 1 265. Okay. How many times divisible? 53 5 times divisible. Okay. That is the 5 265. We get the remainder is 0. Okay, in this first SCF and third number, you get the SCF is equal to what is the SCF? 53. Okay, until the remainder 0, we get the answer 53. The SCF of 106, 159 and 265 is equal to 53. Okay, so this is the prime factorization method. This is the division method. Okay, the answer is 53. The next one is fourth sum. The find the SCF of the following numbers by prime factorization method. This is the both methods. To do the both methods, the first one is 32, fourth one 32, 64, 32, 64, 96, 128, 96, 128, 96, 128. In this four numbers. In the four numbers, you put the prime factorization method. First one is the prime factorization method. So both methods, the factorization of the following numbers by prime factorization and common division. Prime factorization method. Now 32. Okay, 32. 32. How many times divisible? That is the prime number using the least prime number 2. 2 16 jar 32, 2 8 jar 60, 2 4 jar, 2 2 jar, 2 1. So 2 is divisible. The prime number 2 for 2 16 jar 32, 2 8 jar, 2 4 jar, 2 2 jar, 2 1. These are prime numbers. Again 64 take 64. Which number is divisible? The least prime number 2. Okay, 2 32 jar 64. Again 2 16 jar 32. 2 is the prime number. To take the prime factorization method means you take prime numbers. Okay, the 2 is divisible. The least prime number to take 2 is divisible. Okay, 2 8 are 60. Again 2 is divisible. 2 4 are 8. Again 2 is divisible. 2 2 are 2 1 are. Okay, next one 2 32 32 times divisible. 2 16 jar 2 8 jar 2 4 jar 2 2 jar 2 1. This is the prime factorization by 64. Again after 96. 96. In this prime factorization method 96, which is the least prime number, 2 is divisible. 248 jar 96. 2 4 jar 8. The remainder is 16. 2 8 jar 16. Okay. Now 2 24 jar 48. 2 2 jar 4. 2 4 jar 8. 2 is divisible by 24 times divisible that 48. This is 2 is the prime number. Again 2 12s are 24. 2 12s are 24. Okay. Again take number 2. 2 6s are 12. 2 6s are 12. 2 3s are 6. 3 1s are. Okay. This is the prime factorization. 2 of 96. How many times divisible? 48 times. Okay. 2 4s are 8. 1 is the remainder 16. 2 8s are 16. Again 2 24s are 48, 2 12s are 24, 2 6s are 12, 2 3s are 61. This is the prime factorization of 96. After again another number is 128. 128 is the prime factorization method. You take the least prime number. What is the prime number? 2. 2 6s are 12, 2 4s are 8. Again after 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are. Again 2 16s are 32. 2 8 jar 16, 2 4 jar 8, 2 2 jar 4, 2 1 jar 2. This is the primary factorization. 2 how many times divisible? 64 times. 2 6 jar 12, 2 4 jar 16. Again take the prime number 2, 2 32 jar 64. Again take the prime number 2 16 jar 32. Again take the prime number 2 8 jar 16. Again take the prime number 2 4 jar 8. Again take the prime number 2 jar 4 to 1. Now write the prime numbers. The product of prime number 32 is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Okay, the 32 is equal to product of prime factors 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. After 64, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 6 twos. Okay, the 64 is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 96. Next one is the 96. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 twos. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and after 3. Okay, after again 128. 128 is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 twos. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, this is the numbers 32. How many twos are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 prime factors are product of prime factors. The 64, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 product of prime factors. The 96, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 1, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3. The 128. How many 2s are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 2s are there. Now which is in 3 given 4 numbers, which is the prime numbers, common prime numbers? 2, 2 first 2 are common prime. And another one is 2, 2, 2 is the common one. And third one, another 2 also. 2. Next one is common 3 subtotal. Another one, another 2. Okay, so another one, another 2 also there. The common number 2, 2, 2. So common factors is equal to, in this 2 is not there, but second 64 is 2 is having, in the place 2 not having, in the place 2 having, but this 32 is not having 2. Now common factors 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 5. These are all the common factors of 2. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32. This is the common factor multiplied 32. That is the HCF of given numbers in the prime factorization method. In the prime factorization method, the HCF is equal to 32. Okay, it is given the prime product of the prime factors. In the all 4 numbers, given 4 numbers, the 32 is the HCF. Now division method. This is the prime factorization method. The next one is the division method. So find the HCF of the following numbers by prime factorization method and division method. The prime factorization method is the completed. Now division method. Take the 2 numbers first one. Given 4 numbers, take 2 numbers. HCF of 32 and 64. Okay, in the small number this will be big number 32, 64. How many times divisible? 32 2s are 64. We get the remainder 0. This is also last divisor. We get the remainder 0. In the place HCF of 32, 64 is equal to 32. Now in the HCF, you take the third number. In the HCF, and HCF and third number. What is the third number? What is the third number? HCF 32. The third number is the 96. Okay. Now the small number deal with big number. Division with 32 with 96. How many times divisible? 32 into 3. 3 2s are 6. 3 3s are 9. We get the answer 96. Okay. 33 3s are 96. We get the remainder 0. This is last division is 32. So HCF of 32 and 96 is equal to 32. Okay. Now in this third HCF and fourth number, we take the fourth number. HCF and fourth number. What is the fourth number? 128. Okay. 32 and 128. Okay. This is divisible by small number to big number. So 32 to 128. 32 and how many times divisible in 32 128? Okay. 32 with division. Multiply with 4. 4 2s are 8. 4 3s are 12. 128. Okay. How many times divisible? 4 times. We get the answer 128. Okay. We get the 0. Which is the last divisor? 32. The last divisor is 32. The last divisor is equal to 32. That is HCF 32. So given 4 numbers. The given 4 numbers, first one is 32, 64, 96, 194, 4 numbers. Given the 4 number, first to take the 2 numbers, you find the HCF, both division small number to division big number. 32 2s are 64. In the case 32 and 64, what is the HCF? 32. In this 32, and what is the third number? You take the HCF and third number. So 32 is division with 96. 33 3s are 96. So 0 get is 0. The third number, the HCF and third number, you find HCF is equal to 32. In the place HCF and fourth number take. So 32 and 128. 32 fours are 128. 0. So last divisor is 32. In the given four numbers, HCF of 32, 64, 96, 128 is equal to 30. This is the division method to find the HCF. Okay. Now this is the find HCF of the following division method and division method and prime factorization method are completed. Now how to find the LCM? Find LCM. LCM now this is the today explained the two methods. Find HCF by prime factorization method and division method. Okay. Now in the next class let us explain it.